In Russia, where there's a significant amount of corruption, it's turned out that the defense sector was not immune. And so lots of equipment that the Russian military bought over the last 10 years is not performing up to specifications. Reports, for example, of lots of radios that were designed for encrypted tactical communications simply don't work. And so communications are done by cell phones, which is a very vulnerable way of communicating. And then second, the Russian military still seems to use what I would call a Soviet-style command structure. There is no, for example, developed NCO Corps, non-commissioned officers. The American Army is run basically by non-commissioned officers. They don't seem to have that in the Russian military. And you don't have a lot of authority given to lieutenants, captains, junior officers. So one of the reasons why the Russian military has lost more than a dozen general officers in this war is that they end up having to go to the front to make decisions that I think in most Western armies would be made at a much lower level. But that centralized command structure, I believe, has been a real disadvantage to the Russians, particularly because the Ukrainians seem to be much better at decentralizing the fight and being able to operate smaller units independently.